conserving the germplasm through this exploration in this. We are also having the responsibility, the national responsibility for conservation of different other type of germplasm like NBA, the National Biodiversity Authority, which gives permission for the import of for the export of germplasm or for the taking of germplasm for research purposes outside the country. So whenever anyone who is taking that germplasm outside the country, a voucher sample has to be deposited at the National Gene Bank. That is mandatory. So for that also National Gene Bank has been identified. Then second is the safety duplicates of the other gene banks which are in India, like ICRISAT and ICARDA. They have their gene banks in India. So some of their crops or safety duplicates are also being conserved at the National Gene Bank. Then we are also conserving the samples which are sent for patents and for copyrights. So their voucher samples are also with us. Then what are the magic populations or RILs, NILs which are identified by any breeder or any crop improvement program? They are also being sent to National Gene Bank for conservation for the further, because now it is the reign of IPRs. So to fight the cases against if somebody gives some complaint, so the voucher samples at NBPGR which are being deposited, they can be used in those cases. Okay, thank you for listening. Any question?
Suppose I developed a real population and I am giving it to you for registration, for keeping it with you, voucher. So in case someone used the same parent and developed the real, and how can I claim that whether this sample is mine or he or she has developed by its own? In case of disputes, how can we manage that? In real population, can we develop, if there are two parents, I have developed a real, how can I claim that this population is mine, and how can I detect that?
No, you will be depositing your real population